How to choose the best shoes for your baby. Simple tips and tricks. Your baby's first steps are a precious milestone, and the right pair of shoes can make all the difference in their walking journey. How do you know your baby is ready for shoes? Typically, this transition to shoes happens between 7 and 18 months. Watch for signs like standing and taking a few steps without support or showing interest in playing outdoors. Tips for choosing the right first shoes. 1. Keep your baby barefoot initially. When your baby first starts to walk, keep them barefoot as much as possible. Feeling the floor helps them learn to balance better. 2. Flexible anti-slip soles. When it's time for shoes, look for flexible anti-slip soles. These help protect their feet while allowing them to feel the ground and maintain balance.
Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care videos. Please continue watching.
3. Choose lightweight materials. Pick shoes made from lightweight materials like leather or mesh. These keep babies' feet cool and comfortable while avoiding synthetic materials that can trap moisture and cause discomfort. 4. Ensure a proper fit. Make sure the shoes fit snugly around the heel and midfoot, leaving enough room for your baby's toes to wiggle. 5. Check for room to grow. Babies grow fast. You'll need to regularly check that their shoes still fit well, as they may need a new size sooner than expected. 6. Consider the fasteners, Velcro, laces, or straps. Choose the fastener that works best for your baby's stage of development. Velcro is usually the easiest for quick changes. 7. Comfort over looks. It's easy to get caught up in how cute baby shoes look, but comfort should always come first. Choose comfortable shoes, even if they're not stylish. 8. Moving to hard-soled shoes. Once your baby confidently walks without support and spends more time outdoors, you can transition to harder, soled shoes. Ensure they're flexible enough for easy movement. What warning signs should you look out for? 1. If your baby's feet turn inward or outward, it could be due to ill-fitting shoes. Make sure to check the fit regularly. 2. Curled toes, especially if one toe overlaps another, might indicate that the shoes are too tight. If you notice this, it's time to get a new pair. 3. Discolored or inflamed toenails could be a sign of injury from tight shoes. Make sure there's enough room in the toe box for your baby's toes to move freely. 4. Redness, lumps, or soreness on the toes, ankles, or any part of the foot could indicate that the shoes are causing discomfort. Address these issues promptly. By following these tips and being mindful of your baby's needs, you can help your baby step into the world with confidence. If you have any concerns about your baby's foot development or the type of shoes they should wear, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician.